students, we ended off with Central Airlines. My question was, what would a child pay in C class? The adult was 1840. What will the child pay? If we go to child's fare under C class, they tell you there's no discounts. The same as if you were traveling in D class. What happens in D class? They also tell you no discounts. So what I'm trying to say, be very careful when you calculate children and infants. Always go back and read the rules. That only happens in Central Airlines. Okay, let's have a look at South African Airways. If you can do Central Airlines, you can do South African Airways. Now, what we're going to do today is we're going to have a look. You'll see there's quite a lot of information here and a lot of fares. It's not difficult at all. It's a little bit different, but it's the same concept. On the left-hand side, we have the routing. So it's going to be from Bloemfontein to Cape Town, Bloemfontein to Durban, Bloemfontein to East London. If you can't find a Durban, Bloemfontein, there is no Durban, Bloemfontein. You'll see there's a Durban, but quite a lot of other sectors except Bloemfontein. Then, of course, it will be Bloemfontein, Durban. At the top, we have our different classes. This is J class, business class, Y class, KA3, HOW14, our special fares. It will be in K class, and that will be H class. Once again, you'll see there's only one fare, so there's only fares for adults. So if we look at Bloemfontein to Cape Town, if I'm traveling in economy class, the price will be 1170. All these fares are only for adults. Let's take another example. Let's travel from Johannesburg to Cape Town. So let's see, Johannesburg, there is no Johannesburg here. Oh, here we are. Johannesburg, Cape Town, but no, there's no Johannesburg, Cape Town. We swap it around. Cape Town to Johannesburg, where we go? There we are. Okay, business class is 1840, and then you'll see as we go along, it gets cheaper with the special fares. Let's try the same thing with the child. We're traveling from Cape Town to Johannesburg. The business class is 1840. I want to take a child with. What do? I need to go to my fares. Turn the page. We turn the page. Right at the top of the page, it says fare rules for South African Airways. We're traveling in business class. We have a child. What do they tell us? Accompanied children 2 to 11 years, 67%. Okay, so let's see. It was Cape Town to Johannesburg, 1840. Take your calculator, 1840. So there's our 1840 times 67. And your answer is 1232.80. Same rule applies. We don't write the 80 cents. You will only write 1232.00. We write the decimals. It is compulsory. If I have an infant, I use the same example, Cape Town to Johannesburg. I'm traveling in business class and I'm taking an infant with. I go to the rule. I turn the page because that's where it is published. You can find it. There we go. I'm traveling in business class. I want to take an infant. What does the rule say? 10% of the adult fare. So I take my adult fare. What was my adult fare? 1840. There's my adult fare. 1840. 1840 times 10%. And there is my answer. 184. And you will write 184.00.